Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find deleted apps on iPhone and then reinstall the apps back. So if you mistakenly delete a particular application you think you might have to use later on your iPhone, and now you want to find it and restore it back, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find deleted apps on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. On the App Store page, locate and click on your profile icon on the top right. Then you'll be taken to your account. Click on Apps. Under Apps, hang on where you see All Apps and click on My Apps. Now, once you selected My Apps, just swipe to Not on this iPhone. Then you should see all the applications you previously installed and deleted on your iPhone. Now, to get any of this application back, all you need to do is click on the app you want to get back. Then click on the cloud icon. Once you click on the cloud icon, that's going to install the application again on your iPhone. And after that, you're good to go. So that's all you need to do to find deleted apps on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.